Hey guys, so I wanted to do a video with Eid coming up to do an Eid makeup tutorial. So I got this new Kylie lip kit in shade Kylie. It's her favorite shade, Kylie Jenner's one. It's one of her favorites, so that's why it's called Kylie. Here, this is the color here. I'll be putting this on the end of the video. I'm going to start with foundation. So this is a natural makeup look for Eid because we know that we have to go to the mosque and we don't want to be wearing too much makeup. So I'm going to do a simple makeup look now, showing you guys how to do a simple natural makeup look for Eid. Eid Mubarak to everybody, to all my Muslim friends and family. So we start with concealer. This concealer is Hide the Blemish by Rimmel London in shade Ivory. I'm blending this with the Flawless Brush Company airbrush brush. Looks like this. Then we're gonna use our foundation, our Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Software Matte Long Wear Foundation in shade .160. I got the Fenty in the Harvey Nichols in Dundrum. That's where you can purchase it. I did my tan, so I'm ready for Eid. I used the Bare by Vogue Williams for tan, and the light for the face, and then medium for the body. This brush is really good for foundation because it gets rid of that cakey effect. So then we're using our Born This Way Too Faced foundation in shade Porcelain. You can get this in Arnott's. Hello Hassan Mihamli. Then we're using our Fenty Shady Biz 02 bronzer. Got a good amount of that because we want a little bit of a harsh bronzer. My son is looking at me like, Mommy, what on earth are you doing? Then for blusher, we're using the Go-Go Tint by Benefit. Just dab a little bit on your hand because it's quite strong. Then you just put that on your cheek like so and rub it in. Gives a lovely natural blush. Then for our highlight, we can't forget our highlight. We always need our highlighter. We're using the Fenty How Many Carats in Diamond Bomb. So then for our brows, we're using the Ka-Brow by Benefit in shade 3. The mirror. Then we use a little spoolie to brush that out. Spoolie helps spread the product out. So then for eyes, we're going to use our Baby Doll Rem Beauty. This is the Baby Doll by Rem Beauty. And our Charlotte Tilbury Exaggerize. So we're going to mix these two palettes together. You can see which shade is my favorite, this one here. The second one from the left. And then this one, let's see what our favorite shade is. A similar color in this one. So we're going to mix those two shades together. The second one from the Rem Beauty and the third one from the Exaggerize Charlotte Tilbury. It's a nice mix together. I like a natural eye these days. I used to love a smoky eye, but I find when you're a Muslim, like, you have to wear kind of nude makeup to not have like that label of, oh, she wears too much makeup, you know. Then we're using the last three shades mixed together on the Rem Beauty Baby Doll palette. We're mixing that, putting that in the brow bone. Then we use one of our Sosu in SE 208 and we buff that out with that big brush so we don't have no harshness on the brow bone. And then we use our angled brush, our Sosu SE 210. We're going to use the first shade from the Baby Doll Rem Beauty palette to put in the arch of the brow. Today I'm going to be using a eyeliner. for the waterline. Actually, that's just a little bit. It's usually broken, so I'm just gonna apply it like this. No, that's broken. So now for my favorite part is the winged eyeliner. So I really recommend this product. It's the Super Cat by Soap and Glory, and it gives you a really nice wing. Then for mascara, we're using the Revolution 5D Whiplash. So Revolution 5D Whiplash. Hassan, stay here. So I'll quickly show you the Kylie because my food just arrived. So we have the lip liner and this is the lipstick here. It's a gorgeous shade, and this is the lip liner. The lip liner is kind of like a brown color, and then you blend it in with the lipstick. So I'll put that on now. Baby. So this is a beautiful shade. I love it. It's so pretty. So that is the simple Eid makeup look. So this is the look. Hope you enjoyed. Have a nice Eid. Assalamu alaikum. Bye bye.